Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is the most common web browser available almost on every computer, as it comes with all new editions of Windows. Components of Microsoft Edge window. Title bar. This shows the title of the open web page. More. This shows various items for operation on web pages and internet settings. Current tab. Edge uses tabs for each web page you have opened. The current tab you have opened appears as a light gray, while those not open are dark gray. Back or forward. The back button helps you to navigate back to your previous page, and forward button allows you to move forward again if necessary. New tab. Click this button to open a new tab. Refresh. Refresh button reloads your page. Address bar. You type web addresses or carry out a web search in the address bar.